What's up, everybody? It's your girl Loveena, and today we're coming with a low income, y'all. I'm talking about down to the concrete income. No, I'm quite sure it's people with a lower income than what I'm stuffing. But let me tell you, it's a couple of things going on tonight, you guys. One of them is we have Happy Mail, my very first piece of Happy Mail for my girl Becky at No Rhyme or Reason. Okay, you guys? So, and then we have our low income. So this is not going to be a very long video, you guys. And we're going to stuff, let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 today, you guys. However, as you guys know, it's the end of the month. Your girl got bills in the beginning of the month. So these next couple of videos will be very low income, okay, you guys? Because it's just like that right now, okay? Y'all already know what's going down. All right, so let's get into this video, you guys. Let me go ahead and let's check out the Happy Mail. Let's see, I saved it for you guys. I didn't open it or anything. Thank you so much, Becky. I don't even know what's in here yet, but thank you anyway, girl. I really appreciate it. Let's see, you guys. All right. Let's see. I don't have an envelope cutter. I wish I could be so proper. But okay, let's see, y'all. Okay, thank you, Becky. It says do not bend. Oh, okay. It says no rhyme or reason. Becky Hawk Rhymer, proprietor design. Okay, dearest Loveena, thank you so much for sharing your truth. You have touched so many by your honesty. You have encouraged me to just start. No matter how little I have, I can still work towards my goals. In my appreciation, I wanted to gift you month labels from my little business. Love, Becky. Oh, thank you, Becky. So let's see. Okay, y'all. Let's put this card right here. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna probably need something. I guess this is what you get when you don't open it. Okay, hold on. I do not want to bend it. I gotta get something. Goodness gracious. Okay, you guys, let's see. Oh, thank you, Becky. Oh, yes. Okay, I know exactly why you made these. Thank you so much, Becky. Y'all check it out every day of the month. Thank you, Becky. Can y'all see? Instead of, she got me that because of these with the index cards. You see how I had a whole month of these, y'all? Okay, we're gonna label these. Thank you so much, Becky. Thank you. Next time I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna make sure I put them on here. Okay? Thank you. And get those index cards out of there. I appreciate you, sis. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you. Let me put my pretty little leather, my handwritten leather. Now, y'all know what they say about the handwritten leathers now. You know, the handwritten leathers is something special. Somebody actually took their time and wrote you a letter, like using their hands, not no text, not no typewriter, the old-fashioned way, the back end when English was created way. Okay, you guys? So for that gesture alone, thank you, Becky. I don't know the last time I wrote somebody a letter, but thank you. I appreciate that letter. I don't know the last time somebody wrote me a letter. Hey. So, okay, you guys, we're going to do one savings challenge today, and that's going to be going towards our $200 one. Okay, that's the only one we have left. So we're going to do that really quickly. Yes, y'all, today, oh, let me get this out the way too, y'all. So y'all remember I told y'all about that fibroid study I was in. So I don't know, I think I told y'all in the video that they sent me to go take a mammogram and a DEXA, the bone density thing. So why they call me back 2 days ago, y'all, talking about they saw some scattered something. So I got my paper. I don't know the exact names because my nerves is still bad. Some kind of, they said they think it appears to be non-cancerous or whatever. Cancer do run in my family, but I've been having mammograms since I was 30 something, like 32, because cancer runs so strong in my family. And they ain't never called me back, had me come back. So your girl, pray for me, pray for my man. Will gonna drive me to the beach tomorrow, y'all, because your girl been having a hard time, honey, because I'm the type of person, you know, like, when it comes to any kind of test, girl, I mean, HIV test, not saying I'm promiscuous, I hate waiting on them results, mammograms, I just hate, you know what I mean, I just don't like that not knowing, like, I want to know now, like, you know what I mean, don't call me back, but I'm giving it to God, y'all. So, ooh, child, okay, so we gonna say, we got, let's see, I think I said 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, y'all. That's what we're going to stuff. We're going to put it all on here, too. So let's go ahead and count that, because I've been working to get me some rest in a bit. So, yeah, y'all. So your girl, honey, I've been kind of like trying to stay out of my head, you know what I mean? My mind, I'm just like, let me stop talking about it now, because it's just, I don't like, you know what I mean? I don't like F cancer, as they say. I done lost so many family members, and like, you know. But I'm definitely going to keep y'all posted. My doctor's appointment is on October the 10th. And that's, I'm sure, just for me to get an appointment to go get another mammogram. So let's count this. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Yes, 66 buckaroos now. So now we only need $114, y'all. Yeah. And y'all know how y'all be. I don't know about y'all, but I be feeling like, dang, you know, you done changed your life. Look at me. I better stop. You done changed your life. Now, don't come with no, you trying to do right in life. Don't come with, you know, it's going to be all right. I ain't even about to talk that craziness with myself and my mind tonight. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go sit by that water, do some yoga, do some stretching or something. You know what? I'm for real. I'm about to start eating healthy and everything, like all that stuff. I need to get my mind, body, and soul together. Like, and that's just what it is. You know, I need to get more healthy. Everybody in this house working out but me, and then I get that call too. Oh no, it's time for me to start eating right. I went and bought me a bunch of vegetables and fruit today. Like, I haven't had meat since, not saying meat is the cause of anything, but I'm just saying I just want to be the best me, you know. The best me I can be, honey child. I want to lose 30 pounds. Woo. Be, you know, just feeling my best, doing my best. Y'all understand that? I'm quite sure some of y'all do. Like, it's when you get health concerns or little knocks telling you that, hey, bring your back in, then that ain't, I don't like that. It makes my nerves bad. Okay? So you guys, we have saved $14 today, and we opened Happy Meal. Don't forget, I got those binders for sale too, okay? Multiple colors. The information for ordering will be in the description box. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye.